This is Hyundai Sonata. This car is not responding. This guy is not starting. So let's try. This is a push start. So let's try. As you can see, the car is not starting. You press the push button. My leg is on the brake. Car is not starting. So let's run the diagnosis. So these are the fault that the system is recording. So the exhaust sensor and the evaporative emissions system, fuel sensor, fuel level sensor, intake manifold running position sensor. So let's clear the system and check again. Okay, so let's try again. So the car is still not starting. So let's check the fuses. So I've checked all the fuses. So let's start it on the starter direct and check. So this is the kicking wire for the starter. So let's start like this from here to the positive, battery positive. So let's check and make sure the ignition is on. So like this, find a wire like this. Okay, so there's a electrical problem that we need to check on this car. There is a fuse here too. So I've checked all these fuses and all is working. The fuse all is working. So let's go ahead and check. And I've realized the air conditioning too is not working. See, there's no light here. Nothing is coming here. So I think there is a electrical problem here. So let's go and check. So let's off the engine and check the big fuses. So I think this one is okay. So I need to remove this one. See, I think this fuse is broken, so we need to check this fuse. So this fuse is broken, so we need to check this fuse and check. So let's fix this fuse and start again and see. So this is for just a temporary. We will replace this fuse after the work is done. So let's fix the fuse. And let's try and start. Back again. Wow. So now everything is working okay, and the air conditioning too is working now, as you can see. working now. So next time when your car Hyundai Sonata is not starting like this, you need to check the fuse well. Please, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos.